waiting to come on. Hey guys, it is Hayley Bartlett, your Aussie agent, and I just wanted to jump on really quickly today and talk about the summer slump in our housing market and where appraisals are at right now, because there has been a lot of talk about appraisal gaps and a lot of clients doing appraisal gaps. So I think it's really important to educate you guys on where our appraisals are coming in at right now. So let's talk about the summer market first. So in past years, barring last year with COVID, our real estate market really looked different in the summer of last year. But this year we are seeing our usual summer softening. So the market always has kind of a predictable little wave to it where we have our ups and downs. So we have our really busy times and then we have times where it kind of drops off. So we right now in a lot of areas, and this is kind of specific to areas and neighborhoods, but a lot of them we are seeing a summer drop off. People are out holidaying and people are on vacation a lot more this year because we missed out on our trips last year with COVID. So, people are out holidaying, visiting family in other states, having family visit them. Buyers have gotten fatigued because they just have been trying, putting in offer after offer and getting rejected offer after offer. So we're really not seeing as much competition out there as we have in these other seasons. Our inventory has actually bumped up a tiny little bit. It could be better as usual, but we're definitely seeing it be a little easier to get buyers under contract because we are seeing maybe 3 to 4 offers instead of 20, unless the house is underpriced. And we came across one of those on the weekend up here in Frederick where the house was significantly underpriced just to cause this bidding war of 20 offers or so. But if an offer is priced well, then if a house is priced well, then we are seeing offers, maybe 2, 3, or 4 instead of 20 right now, which is giving buyers a better chance to get their offer accepted without having to give up the world. So without having to write in these huge, ginormous appraisal gaps or waiving inspections and appraisals, it is more of a normal market for Denver right now in this summer period. We are expecting it to bounce back in the fall. Whether that happens or not, we'll see. I wish I had a crystal ball. It would really help with that. But for right now, it is actually a good time if you've kind of put yourself on the shelf because you were worn out, or you've been thinking of buying but watching the market and not sure you wanted to jump into the craziness. There is a short window right now of time to take advantage of that because we don't know what the rest of the year is going to look like, whether we have a busy winter or not. So if you've been thinking of buying, now might be a good time to jump in. Also, interest rates dropped again this week. They dropped pretty low again. So it is a good time to refinance or jump into the market with those lower interest rates as well. Onto appraisals. So talking to lenders, we are seeing 90% of appraisals come back at the contract price. So we're seeing 90% of appraisals come back at contract price right now, which is great. That means our market is catching up with those big, huge jumps that we were seeing. It means appraisers are catching up with the market. And it means that those appraisal gaps that maybe you are writing into an offer don't have to come into play. So you're not having to bring that extra cash to the table as much. So 90% coming back in at contract price or over is fabulous. I had one come in 20,000 plus over last week and another one come in about 10,000 plus over. Nobody had to bring appraisal gaps to the table, which was fabulous. So we're seeing 90% come back at contract price or above. So that's some good news. That is some good news in our market, and I was very happy to hear those statistics. So that's where we are at with the appraisal game right now. So guys, that's it. Just wanted to give that quick update on what we are seeing here in our summer market right now and where appraisals are at. If you're thinking of buying or selling, or you need help with any type of real estate question or home ownership question, I would love to be your resource and your friend's resource. All right, guys, hope you are having a fabulous summer day, and we'll talk again soon. See ya.